Good morning, student. Yesterday we discussed about the inflationary gap and deflationary gap, excess demand and deficit demand with the help of the table and diagram. Mainly we focus on the diagram. So what is the shape? And today we discuss about what is the causes and consequences of excess and deficit inflationary and deflationary gap. So what is the causes? So today we discuss and what is the reason behind why there is the excess demand and why there is the inflationary gap, why there is the deficit demand and why there is the what is the reason behind. So what is the causes? First we discuss causes of the excess demand and the deficit demand. So first we discuss aggregate demand is the addition of the consumption, investment, government expenditure, export minus import in four sector economy. In four sector economy. So with help of aggregate demand easily we find out what is the causes of excess demand. So first we discuss what is the reason behind what is the causes of the excess demand. So excess demand arises when there is the increase in private final consumption expenditure. Yani first reason, if there is a increase in the private final consumption expenditure, so then increase in demand. So it is a reason, so that's why there is the excess demand arises. Increase in investment expenditure. Third one, increase in government expenditure like make road, railway, administration expenses. So these are the reason. Fourth, increase in export lower domestic price in relation to the international market, decrease in import. So higher owing to higher international price compared with domestic price. and sixth one, a cut in tax rates. Living higher disposable income. So these are the reasons. So that's why there the excess demand arises. And what is the consequences? Consequences of consequences of excess aggregate demand. So when aggregate demand increase, its full employment level output remain constant. If full employment in the economy, output remain constant. Second, increase in demand on the existing output causes a rise in price of the commodity. So it's mean inflation in the market. Third, after that, wage and price spiral come in the economy. Wage price spiral come in the economy, and increase in the journal price level in the market. So these are the some causes and consequences which we discuss, which is related to the excess demand. So after that, question arises, correct the excess demand with help of monetary and fiscal policy. So, what is the monetary policy? Monetary policy is a policy with help of we tackle the supply of money in the market. So mainly to instrument of monetary policy One is quantitative instrument of monetary policy. Qualitative instrument of monetary policy. In quantitative instrument, bank rate. Bank rate is a rate on which rate RBI provides the loan to the commercial bank. RBI provide loan to commercial bank. After that, CRR, cash reserve ratio, how much cash reserve by commercial bank. Third one is SLR, SH due statutory liquidity ratio. Statutory means Vaidhanik. So statutory liquidity ratio. So how much money is always in liquid form with commercial bank. D. Open market operations with help of we share securities in the market. Qualitative instrument of monetary policy, direct action, margin requirement. Direct action is taken by the RBI for commercial bank if they not